This is my website. How to associate with your YouTube channel to website here. That is how we can check for live traffic on your website for YouTube live video traffic. That is called, first of all, go to channel video. Option call is video manager. In this video manager, the option call is channel. The option call is channel here. Just go to your option call is channel. In the option call is advanced. Now just here, just scroll down here. What is called here? My website address. See here. Tell us on your channel associated with your another website. That is called my website. The main purpose of we check our website live traffic where using with the Google Analytics. Right now, how many members watch my videos? How to check? Without associate with your website, we can't check the live traffic on Google Analytics. So before adding the website, the very important call here, the website already webmaster is must and should important. Without webmaster, the associate will be not with the YouTube to website connection will be disabled. So here, first of all, copy this URL. Now submit. Click for add. Done. Suppose the webmaster will be not there. They're asking for please link with the Google Webmaster tool. Please link with the Google Webmaster tool. Is it clear? This is called associate with the YouTube channel to website. That is called connect with the YouTube to website. Now clear? Without webmaster, the option will be not working. Blogger also accepted. WordPress also accepted. Free WordPress blog also accepted. But the website activated with the Google Webmaster tool is a very important.